Okay, so where exactly we can find this tools is first we will go with express reports. If you expand Redwood sales, so you can see express reports here. So once you navigate to this, so you can see uh, some out of the box or uh, express reports, or you can create your own express reports. So you can click here for the new report, give the name, and select the report type. So these are the supported objects. Okay. And this can be managed uh, in report manage report types that we'll see. So we will select the report type as opportunity. So now we can create the data from for opportunity object. So by default, right? So once we selected just object, so it will add some fields automatically. So these are the 10 columns that is added automatically, and in this in preferences, right? So you can basically see what is the columns that we need to select, and filters and any grouping. Okay. So here it is selected 10 columns, and if you want any additional column, so you can select that column here. So opportunity number is selected. So if you want to adjust uh, this columns or rearrange these columns, you can just drag and drop. Okay. So then once you select the data model, I mean the fields, then you can add any filters here. So based on the available columns, you can add these fields. Okay. It shows the different operators like this. So we have something prompted for filter. So this is basically to pass some parameters. Then if you want to group anything, so you can group. Currently it is grouped by sales stage. Okay. You can save this report, and so this is about preferences, right? Now you can add a chart here, and if you click on this, you can get different types of visualizations. So automatically based on the selected fields, so it will try to generate a report. So now by default, when I click on add chart, it selected donut chart as visual type, and we have different other types: bar chart, combo chart, area, pie, funnel. So these are all different types of visualizations we have. Okay. And also with these fields, it automatically selected the sliced by as sales stage name, and the value for this is opportunity revenue. And based on this, it created a report here. So if you want, we can change to a different view, and then we can configure the values according to that. So we have this, the inner radius. So we can adjust this, and then we can save the report. So now this report is now ready to it is ready, and it is created. And if you want to share to others, so by default it will be with the user who created. So if you choose everyone, so you can share. So as of now, there is no role based sharing. So either you can share to all, or you can restrict it with yourself. So now a report, express report is created for sales. So it can be used by sales representative or sales manager.
So to create a new report type, so we should come to here, create new report type, and then select your custom object. So this list will be available from the custom subject areas. Then give the name and if needed a description, and then it will go to the page where you have the child and parent objects and the facts. So expand this, and so you need to select at least one default field so that it will be used. Uh, and you can select up to 10 columns, so otherwise it will give an error. So for now, we'll select some 2 3 fields. So if need, you can select up to 10 fields, 10 default fields. So here you can choose whether this field is reportable or not, so that this field will appear for the sales users to use. So you can choose that option. Also, if you want to enable grouping, so you can enable the grouping here. Okay. Then you can choose any employee related or facts columns, and then save the report. So once it is saved, so then it will be ready for the for creating express reports. Okay. Now express report is created. Go back to the home screen. You can also delete, rename, modify these changes later. So if you want to edit, just click on this name so that it will go to the edit page. And if you go to create report now, so you can see the report type is claims already came here. So this is how you can create a new report type.